The pressure testing site of the 4-ton oil gas-fired steam boiler in Zinli Boiler Factory. This WNS series steam boiler is a fully automatic oil gas-fired steam boiler. This steam boiler from Zinli Boiler can be designed with a minimum capacity of 1 trillion per hours and a maximum capacity of 25 trillion per hours with steam pressure below 2.5 megapascal Pa. At the same time, it can match with energy-saving devices and condensers to improve thermal efficiency by reducing exhaust gas temperature. Its thermal efficiency can reach over 98%, thereby saving energy consumption and helping enterprises reduce boiler operating costs. In addition, it can also choose advanced low-nitrogen burners to ensure full combustion of fuel, which reduces NOx emissions and helps enterprises meet the environmental requirements of green production.